सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम महकप्रीत कौर है। आज मैं आप सभी के सामने एक दोहा प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। कहीं रहीम संपत्ति सगे, बनत बहुत बहुरीत, विपत्ति कसाटी जय कसे, सोही साचे मीत। रहीमा सोही साचे मीत। अर्थात रहीम जी कहना चाहते हैं, जब हमारे सुख और वैभव के दिन होते हैं तो दूर दराज के लोग भी हमारे मित्र बनने की कामना करते हैं, परंतु जब विपत्ति का समय आता है, जो हमारा साथ दे वही सच्चा मित्र होता है। धन्यवाद।
Good morning everyone, my name is Arush Katur. Today I am going to present a speech on World Ozone Day. The World Ozone Day is celebrated on 16 September. This day is celebrated to spread the awareness of ozone depletion. Do you know what is the importance of ozone layer? The ozone layer protects our earth from the harmful rays of the sun. It absorbs dangerous ultraviolet radiation and helps to preserve life on earth. The harmful UV rays will cause skin cancer and reduce plant growth. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today I am presenting a speech on World Ozone Layer. The theme for this year, a healthy atmosphere we want. The International Day for the Preservation of Ozone Layer is observed on 16 September 1995. Our Queen, Jackson Pima, the ozone dwarf Bhutan, is still working very hard to have a well-protected ozone layer. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Agirma Kamri and today I am going to recite a self-composed poem on ozone layer. So let's start. Dear ozone layer, we know your heart. We so-called humans are behind this, but we continue to protect lives by absorbing the harmful rays. We worship the sun, but she also deserves the praise. Those nasty ultraviolet rays attacks our motherland. You are a real avenger who forms a protective band. But for our comfort, we do awful human activities. You, the protector, suffers because of our insensitivity. Machines, chimneys, ACs and many more. We thankless humans deserve those skin sores. We must realize your importance to survive. We need your worth of absorbance. Wake up everyone and save the mighty layer. The earth is beautiful, as so is the life dear. We pledge to stop this depletion, minimize ACs, cars and harmful gas emissions. We, the future, promise to keep it intact. But we don't need much comfort. You must realize that. Thank you.
शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 जय